How to start your guest posting business and earn $1,000 per month. This is the video all about guest posting, and if you wanted to start your this guest posting business, this is the video for you to get all the information and insight to start your journey. These are the things that I will cover in this video. What is guest posting, how to find websites for guest posting, and how to get orders. What is guest posting? Guest posting is actually getting backlinks from the authority websites in order to improve our website ranking. If you just look at the Google algorithm, there are over 200 ranking factors incorporated in its algorithm. And one of that factor is known as backlinks. But backlinks has more way than any other ranking factor out there in the Google's algorithm. So guest posting is a one type of a link building in which we are using or which we are getting backlinks from the authority websites. And in this guest posting business, we are actually selling these authority backlinks to our clients. I will show you how you can find websites for guest posting and how you can get orders in order to sell that backlinks and earn money. If you just move to the Fiverr.com and search for guest post, you can see that a lot of people are selling this type of service. I will guest post on Domain Authority 82 Google News blog with do following 1000 plus reviews, $50 price, 25 reviews, 41 reviews, 112 reviews, 291, 128, 182, 198, 167, 202. So a lot of people are selling this type of service and are earning some decent income. And this is not $5 or $10 gig. Majority of the gigs you will find there for $70, $50, $60. So you will find more than $40 mark and $50 mark in this gig. So once you start getting organic orders after setting up your gig in this category, you will start making some handsome money. Now let's move to our next section, that is how to find websites for guest posting. As I have already shown you that if you move to the Fiverr and search for guest posts, you can see that there are some people who are actually selling guest posting on their personal blogs. These are real blogs that those people have built over the period of time. Like if you just look for Domain Authority 82 blog, so it's massive power. Domain Authority 54, Domain Authority 86, Domain Authority 75. So they also have traffic as well. These are real blogs. These are not just public blog networks where they are just built on expired domains are selling like $5 or $10. These are actually real blogs. So just you can just navigate or look at those blogs, and all you need is to contact those people one by one, and you need to get the information about your blog. And you may also require domain authority, page authority, trust flow, citation flow, and the traffic stats. You can also confirm these traffic stats by moving to the Google, and you can just move to this website smallseotools.com. It will also show that website backlinks. It will also provide you the domain authority, page authority, citation flow, trust flow. So all of these things that you may require for your guest posting business, Small SEO Tools will provide you all the data. Apart from this website, you can also move to other different websites. Just look at domain authority and page authority checker. So you will find lot of websites in this category that will provide you help. All you need is to open up that website, paste that website link that those people will give you about their website, and just check out the stats. And once you check up the stats, you can just use Google Docs or Google Spreadsheet. Just open up that sheet and you need to fill in that information. Serial number, one. Website URL, the website URL that will be provided by the Fiverr seller. Niche, just write down the niche price. So let's suppose if this guy is selling its website for $50, you can mark that price for $100. So what you are doing, you are actually getting orders from the people for $100, and you are actually give that order to that guy, and earning the difference. So you are taking $100 from the customer and you are buying from this guy for $50. So you are actually making $50 from this one order. Domain authority, you can check it online for free. Citation flow, trust flow, and duration. Make sure, let's suppose if this guy is selling its guest post for 5 days, so you should use the 10 days mark in order to be on a safer side. Just look at the information like delivery time 1 day, 3 days, and 5 days. So you must make sure that your duration should be 4 to 5 days more than the original Fiverr gig. So once you will completed your first task, then move to the next website. Make sure you can also write down one more thing, that is traffic, monthly traffic. Because nowadays people are actually looking for guest posting on those websites which actually have traffic. So once you contact with all these people with websites who have traffic, big domain authority, page authority, you will compile up with a large spreadsheets. You can have more than hundreds of websites. So let's suppose if you have 20 websites, now you can create your gig on Fiverr, which is very easy. Just create your gig and write down about your gig, like I am providing guest posting on different niche websites. So once you create this website, or you can also write about the outreach business. Once people will come to you, they will ask for your websites, you can just share that websites to your customer. And once people who like any of the website, they will order you, you can just send out your custom offer. And I have seen people are actually doing this on Fiverr and they're making thousands of dollars using this business. I have also purchased many things, many guest posting opportunities from different people. And once I look at other guy who are also selling those websites which I actually bought from the previous seller. So that's how people are using this strategy and they are making money on the Fiverr. The next thing is how to get orders. So there are different platforms out there, not only Fiverr. You can actually use for other platforms like Concur.io. It is actually a great site for selling your backlinks. People per hour, Upwork. So there are different types of websites out there. You can just create your profile on these websites and you can start selling that service to different platforms. These are this website is totally related to selling your backlinks. And once you start getting orders and you will get reply or you will get reviews from your buyers, definitely you will progress more and you will receive more orders in the future. This is great business model and I definitely recommend you to start your journey. You can earn more than $1,000 per month. At the start you may face some difficulty, which is normal to every business, but once you get used to this, you can start getting massive profit using this strategy. I hope you like this business model, and if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.